All right, guys, this is how I made $8,000 in my first 2 months cutting and engraving with my Glowforge. And this is how you can do it too. Okay, so the first step is you want to specialize in something or you want to niche down. So here's the thing. When I first jumped into this business, well, which was, I don't know, 6 years ago, I started off with Christmas ornaments. There were personalized Christmas ornaments. And then we started off with personalized door hangers, which I don't think we started off with Christmas for the door hangers, but the ornaments itself, which are the big sellers. And you can sell a bunch of them to a bunch of people. You can mail them all over the United States. That's what you want to do. So niche down, start off with a specific niche, which we did Christmas. And then, of course, we did Halloween, Thanksgiving too. But specifically, if you want to get specific, we specialize in Christmas personalized tree ornaments. And the reason why you want to specialize in something like that is because you want to get really, really good. You want to make sure that your item stands out and stands tall above all the competition. You want to make sure that you don't, to put it simply, you want to make sure that you don't suck, okay? You want to make sure that you have a product that stands tall, it looks professional. However it is that they contact you, you want them thinking of you first. Okay, so the second step to get to $8,000 per month is create a Facebook group. You want to create a Facebook group because a Facebook group compared to a Facebook like page, you get more engagement in the Facebook group. And then you have more features too. And like, I know you can do polls and surveys. I know you can tag everybody and things like that. So it's a group, and they just, for some reason, Facebook just made the engagement much more. And then also, you can make the group private so that a lot of spammers and scammers can't come onto your page and mess up your opportunity that you have there. So you make it private, and then it's just you engaging with your audience, your members, and then you can only sell your product. So that's the cool thing too. Another benefit of that is that exactly you're selling your product. So I think we have around 2,000 people in our group right now, and that's enough to go full time, by the way. It also took 6 years to get them. Those are 2,000 true fans. They're not just random people. We didn't buy those. We didn't do ads to get those people here. Those are true fans. Every time we post something and we tag them, we get a crazy amount of engagement because those are people that came, it's family, friends, and people that know us, and that's what you want. So you can do it quick, if you can do it quickly and get your numbers up. But to be honest, just having numbers for the sake of having numbers, it doesn't do any good when those numbers don't equal dollars. So you just take that for what it's worth. So what you can do when you create that group, you're going to invite all of your Facebook friends, and then if you're partnered with someone in that group, have them invite all their Facebook friends. And then you want to invite all your family members. So you want to go through your contacts and call them up and text them and say, hey, I just created this Facebook group. Would you please join so I can grow my numbers? And then, your family and friends going to buy stuff from you too. So of course you want them to see. Now, here's the thing. Your family and friends, that's your free stuff right there. That's your pot of gold, and it's free. So what you want to do next is ask them to share your group on their page. So they more than likely have 300 friends, 400 Facebook friends. And if you get 10 of your friends and family to share it to their Facebook page, that's potentially reaching 4,000 people. So anyways, they'll all join. You can get thousands of people to your group, and then you can sell them all types of stuff. Okay, last step here. You want to get inspiration from Etsy, Pinterest, and Google. And then also there's other places too, but you want to get inspiration because you want to know what's already selling. You want to see what's selling. You don't want to be shooting in the dark. You don't want to be wasting time, wasting money. You want to get some inspiration. You want to know what people already like. Now, here's the thing. If you have a Facebook group, you can simply do a survey or a poll or message your members and ask them what they like. But if you don't have that, just go on one of those social media sites, Google search Christmas personalized tree ornament. 1,000 of them will pop up, 20,000 of them will pop up. And then you're going to look through, look at the reviews, look at how many are sold, look at which ones are most popular. And then you're going to get your inspiration off of that. Now, you're not going to copy them because copying just doesn't work. I mean, you know, you may make some dollars here and there, but it doesn't work. You have to create an original idea inspired by someone else that's already winning. So those are the 3 steps. That's pretty much all I did to get my first $8,000 within my first 2 months of owning my laser. If you got anything from this, just like and subscribe, please. Leave a comment below. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Let me know what you're struggling with. I'd like to make videos about it so I can help you. Thanks for watching.